Quickly manifest your greatest desires. This always works. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe on this channel that you deserve the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend on. So high flyers, when it really comes down to it, when there is something that you absolutely feel you must manifest, your greatest desire, this is what I do. This is what has worked for me and worked for thousands, maybe even millions of others who have been successful at manifesting all over the world. Look, you have the ability to make your life exceptional, to live your best life, the highest version of who you are. There's no need to settle for just getting by. It's good enough. It's okay. That isn't why you chose to come here. That isn't why you're here now. So high flyers, I really believe that manifesting with a sense of absolute certainty, give up the trying. Stop trying to manifest. Trying only helps you attract more trying in your life. Get to that point where you just feel absolutely certain that what you desire is happening right now. There's no more trying. I call it a sense of knowingness. You just know that you know that you know. You're absolute look at absolute certainty and knowingness above and beyond anything else will help you manifest quickly. But if you're uncertain, I just wonder if it's going to happen, I'm not really certain, then you're almost guaranteed to manifest slowly, or maybe not even at all. You might even manifest the opposite of what you deeply desire. High flyers, this can be your best day. This can be your best year. I don't care what has happened in this year so far. It can turn out to be your very best year because you can choose to make it so right now with absolute certainty and a sense of inner knowingness. High flyers, when it's critical for me to manifest, I turn to focused gratitude. My gratitude just isn't all over there. I'm grateful for being alive. It's focused gratitude. Because focused gratitude, high flyers, will eliminate negative thoughts. Imagine being able to go throughout the day and not being bombarded by all these negative thoughts. Do you wake up in the morning with negative thoughts in your head? Try focused gratitude the night before. Focused gratitude will raise your vibration. And when you're operating at a higher frequency, everything moves easily and effortlessly for you. Focused gratitude will just make you feel good. And when you feel good, you attract other people that feel good. And you attract situations that make you feel good. The universe sends you more feel-good energy. High flyers, focused gratitude will help you shift from negative vortex that you may be creating right now, which is attracting the opposite of what you desire, to a positive vortex, which is helping you attract exactly what you desire and attracting it quickly. So high flyers, what exactly is focused gratitude? Focused gratitude is is taking on the premise that everything in the universe is already present. Anything you could ask for, anything you could desire, anything you want is already present right now. That's focused gratitude. So I don't have to be grateful for something that I've had or something that I wish for. I can be grateful for something I have right now. I am grateful. I feel good. I feel happy because I have an incredible, loving, passionate relationship. I am grateful right now. I feel happy. I feel good. I feel excited because money flows to me daily, effortlessly, from a variety of sources. I feel good. I am grateful right now because I am healthier than I've ever been before, and I'm getting healthier each and every day. You see, focused gratitude on what you desire in present tense will help you manifest more quickly than you've ever manifested in your entire life. Now, here's some other videos to help you along the way.